Enrichment of ores. As we have discussed about that, metals are found in the form of ores, and ores are present with impurities in the earth crust. So the removal of impurities from ore is called enrichment of ores. For purification of metals, for extraction of metals from ores, firstly we need to remove the impurities or gangue from ore through various physical and chemical process. The technique used for a particular ore depend on the difference in the properties of ore. So there are different techniques which used for a particular ore is depend on the difference in the property of the ore. Okay. Next is extraction. After enrichment of ore, after removing the impurities through various physical and chemical process, we need to extract metals. So first of all, we will discuss about the extracting metals low in the activity series, reactivity series or activity series. So metal low in the activity series are very unreactive. Silver, gold and platinum do not react with any other metal because they are the least reactive. But sometimes copper and mercury are found in react with oxide or sulfide ores. So because oxygen are present in abundance in our nature, so most of the elements react with oxygen. So the oxides of these metals can be reduced to metals by heating alone. For example, cinnabar, mercury sulfide. We will separate the mercury from this ore, that is called mercury sulfide or cinnabar. It is an ore of mercury. It is an ore of mercury. When it is heated in air, it is just converted into mercury oxide. So by the reduction process, okay, by the roasting process. Roasting means on heating. As I told you, least reactive metals can be extracted by roasting. Least reactive metal can be found in sulfide ores, mainly found in sulfide ores. So they can be metals, pure metals can be extracted from these ores by the process of roasting or by heating. So cinnabar is an ore of mercury. When it is heated in the air, it is first converted into mercuric oxide and sulfur dioxide will be released. Up mercuric oxide is then reduced. After this, it is reduced to mercury on further heating. Firstly, we will heat, then we will get mercuric oxide. After again further heating, we will get pure mercury. In this way, we will get the mercury from its ore. Similarly, copper, which is found as cuprous sulfide in nature, can be obtained from its ore by just heating in air. So we can extract the copper least reactive metal on heating or roasting. Okay, heating or roasting. So when copper ore is present in the form of cuprous sulfide, Cu2s, oxygen, first we will get, it will react with oxygen. Then what will happen? Cupric oxide will be formed and sulfur dioxide gas released. Then cupric oxide, again when we will heat, then we will get pure copper metal. Got it?